around the world, there are so many poor and marginalised people on death row in terrible conditions. So we decided to change it. Where you have brutality in a justice system culminating in the death penalty, you'll find all kinds of abuse and brutality in most places along the journey as well. So you end up with a deeply flawed justice system. If you look at all the societies in the world that people are fleeing towards and want to be part of, very typically you'll find that there are countries that don't do certain things, and one of them is execute. Reprieve Australia is a small NGO. It has a single purpose, which is to abolish the death penalty. What we've seen develop is a relationship with Monash University and Reprieve. Together we've created a new subject which was regarded as very successful. The students who did the course seem to really benefit from it.
The legal system's very different to Australia. They're not necessarily as rule-based, and Julian's been a great help to let us understand what it's like in those jurisdictions, how the case might run, what the judges like and dislike. He's been really helpful to give us a bit of background on that.
People wait on death row for a very long time. It's not just a simple idea of ending someone's life and protecting the community. It's the idea that someone waits on death row and doesn't know when their life will end, and that almost amounts to torture.
There's always an option. Even if everyone says you're at the end, there's nothing else you can do. If you have to take a political option, if you have no appeals left, it's never the end of the road. You can always do something.
What I love the most is that I can draw upon the skills and the knowledge that I've built up over the last 6 years at law school and channel it into real work that may make a difference in somebody's life.
So I think what we're moving into now is a decade or two where what's going to be necessary to win change is highly informed social research. It enables politicians to hold a document in their hand and say, this is world-class research, and it tells us what our people want. Or it tells us that deterrence is not what we thought it was. Both education and research are central to what Reprieve is on about. And we hope it will just continue to grow. We have some big plans for the future.